Hey, citrus growing in containers. Let's talk about spring acclimation and how to get it done right. Stay to the end so we can talk about my one pro tip at the end that will definitely help it out. Let's talk about how we can get these bad boys from inside the house to outside the house to start doing these blooms and getting acclimated properly so you guys don't have any issues with your citrus trees coming out. First thing you all want to do is bring your tree and don't put it in the direct sun. That will definitely have you guys damage your trees through sunburn. What you want to do is slowly take it from outside and put it in deep shade, like over there by the trunk of the tree. After a week or so, you can start moving it over till it gets dappled sun, and then morning sun. After you get morning sun for a few hours and you don't see any damage on your trees, then go ahead and start transferring it over to where it's sunnier, to where they can be in full sun all day without damaging your leaves. That's basically the gist of doing it properly and just the right way. So now my trees have been out in the sun, and you can see from the beginning shots that almost every single tree of mine are blooming and going crazy. If you bring your trees out too fast into the sun, look at this leaf here. See how the ends are browning and the leaf just looks damaged? That was a sign that I brought it out too fast on this particular one, and some of the leaf got burnt. Also, this is a variegated tree, and look at this poor leaf here. It got hit by the sun and it just got whooped. Same with the one right here too. So this is why you want to take your trees and bring them out slowly. Yes, citrus trees are sun-loving trees, but after they're in the winter for the long slumber, it could prove fatal. Now for that special pro tip that I told you in the very beginning, here it is. IV Organics 3-in-1 Plant Guard. It protects against sunburn, insects, and rodents, and it's 100% organic. It's OMI certified. There'll be a link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick some up, and I got a coupon code that saves you some money. What you do is get a spray bottle, put about a teaspoon worth in it, put some warmer water in it, shake it up really good, then go ahead and spray the leaves. What you're doing is you're adding sunscreen to the leaves. So when you do get it out, you'll be able to protect your leaves from sunburn. Just kind of like our skin. If you put it in the sun too fast, you're going to torch it really fast. All you got to do is put a light coat. They'll dry on porous. It'll still be able to breathe. And there you go. That was my one big pro tip to help acclimate your trees and to have a successful beginning of your growing season. There you all go. There's how we acclimate our trees. Just recap right quick. Just put your tree in deep shade. Then after a week or so, slowly transition it to dappled sun, and then start giving it some morning sun, and then start getting it to full sun. It's about a 2 to 2.5 week process to do it properly. That way your trees, your beautiful trees that had that long winter slumber, now will be able to have and start up to the springtime success.